Axle of Symmetry, where math finally clicks. Welcome back to Axle of Symmetry. You know that repeated addition has a shortcut called multiplication. Today, we meet the shortcut for repeated multiplication, exponents. 2 times 2 times 2. Writing that gets old fast. So mathematicians squeeze it into a tiny tower, 2 to the power of 3. The big number is the base, the thing being multiplied. The little number up top is the exponent. It counts how many copies. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is 8. Careful with the classic mistake, though, 2 to the third is not 2 times 3. 6 and 8 are very different answers. The exponent copies, it never multiplies by itself. Now, why is x times x called x squared? Draw a square whose side is x. Its area is x times x. The square literally shows the power of 2. And x to the third is called x cubed for the same reason. It measures a cube. Length times width times height, all equal to x. The squares of the counting numbers are worth knowing by heart. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These little celebrities will show up everywhere in your algebra career. Here's a beautiful shortcut hiding inside. What is x squared times x cubed? Unpack it. 2 copies of x, then 3 more copies. That's 5 copies altogether, x to the 5th. To multiply powers of the same base, just add the exponents. One warning, this add the exponents magic only works when the bases match. X squared times y cubed simply stays, as it is, different bases politely keep their distance. 2 quick curiosities. Anything to the power of 1 is just itself 1 copy. And here's the surprise, anything to the power of 0 equals 1. Not 0, 1. It's the empty product, the starting point before any multiplying begins. Powers of 10 are the friendliest of all. 10 squared is 100. 10 cubed is 1,000. The exponent simply counts the zeros, which is exactly how scientists write enormous numbers without fainting. Exponents are why things explode in the real world. One sheet of paper folded just 42 times would reach the moon, because each fold doubles, and doubling is the power of 2 at work. Your turn, pause and think. What is 3 squared times 3? 2 copies plus 1 more copy is 3 copies. 3 cubed, which is 27. If you added the exponents, you're officially a power user. Let's recap. An exponent counts copies of the base. X squared is literally the area of a square. Multiplying powers of the same base means adding exponents, and anything to the power 0 is 1. Next episode, 2 mysteries at once, systems of equations where 2 lines meet. Subscribe to Axle of Symmetry and keep the math clicking. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Axle of Symmetry and keep the math clicking.